Hey guys, I'm Sam.
I'm Jody.
Welcome back to our channel, Razor Focus. We're so glad you joined us. Today is 102 degrees.
A little warm, but beautiful.
Beautiful weather. Wish we could be out on the trail, but Miss Jody is still healing, and she still has a few more procedures she has to get done. But man, doesn't she look amazing? So
I'm feeling better every day, which is nice. The bone is growing, so thank you for your prayers. And soon I'll have, well, within the next year, I'll have teeth.
Yes. So we're just excited to give you an update, as well as we got a package today, so we're going to see who that is.
Oh,
And
we just got a pack.
yes.
We just got a pack.
And also I want to do a shout out to Ron and Linda Perry in California. You guys, sent us some microphones that you can't really see under here. It's some DJI mics. We'll pull one out here in a minute. But hopefully the sound is better, and so that's going to be really cool. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you guys, and can't wait to see y'all soon. All right, so let's see what we got, Jody.
Well, we sure appreciate getting packages, surprise things that come at our door, and we have no idea. And we enjoy getting emails about people that want to collaborate with us, so we appreciate that. To anyone who wants to do that, just drop us a line.
Yeah, so let's see. It doesn't look, does it say who it's from here?
It says Executive Avenue, New Jersey.
So we know it's from New Jersey. That's all we know. Careful with your fingers there, girl. She's got a knife. This girl can skin a moose. She's
I'm like, why is he telling me about my fingers? I've been cutting knives for a long time.
You've been cutting knives?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Oh, what is that? Hold on. What's this say?
Oh, I have to tell you?
Yeah, we're unboxing here.
Okay, well, I was opening the box. Here's the paper.
Oh, instructions.
Oh, instructions for product contents.
So looks like from StarKnightMT, StarKnightMT.com.
Starknight Mountain, maybe?
Maybe, it could be. StarKnightMT Mountain, maybe.
And it looks like a cup holder that attaches to the razor inside.
Ooh, let's keep...
With the happy bar.
Cool, happy bar. Let's keep looking here.
It keeps me happy.
Let's keep looking
here.
here.
Oh, it's heavy. I thought it was going to be light.
I don't know. Whoop, little package there. Let's grab that.
Yeah, I was going to grab it, but I have a slanted space.
Looks like the hardware.
Mm-hmm. It should only be like a bolt.
Wow, so there's like one bolt.
This is like super easy to install. Look at this. It's very solid. It's metal. It's got the logo cut in.
Sweet.
I don't know. It seems very solid.
Let me see that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no kidding. That's, wow. Yeah. That looks like a
When I think cup holder, that is not what I'm thinking. That is metal. And
yeah, no kidding.
Heavy duty. It looks like it would not break with a heavy cup in it on a trail with the bumps and the motion. Well,
let's take a look. All right, guys. Looks like a pretty straightforward install. Pretty quick, pretty easy. We're gonna open up the door here, and we're gonna go ahead and take out this adjustment here, just like you know how to do it if you have a razor. You just slide this little pin out, and this slides out there. There's a rubber in there, and it goes way out like if you have a child. So super easy, and it again comes with everything you need. Hallelujah. I'm gonna put a washer on one end, and then this little guy slides, and there's, if you look here, Jody, see those holes?
Yes.
So those holes line up with the holes where you want to put it. So let's think about how I want it, because we also don't want it so close on you, on the bar.
Right.
But we want your hands to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Well, we can adjust it at any point. That's what's really cool.
Yeah, it looks like you could modify it on the trail if you needed to.
Exactly. Super easy. So we're going to go there. So let's find our marking hole here. See if I can find it. There we go. So that's the position we're going to be in.
So you reclamp the bar so that it's secure.
Reclamp the bar. We're going to slide this in, lock it right in. And that way it's close to, keeps everything close so it's not taking up any of your room.
Yeah, because you kind of want the space to stretch out or to move your legs and such.
Yes, because remember, these seats don't move forward and backwards. Now, maybe you have a UTV that moves forward and backwards. Sorry, I'm trying not to be in the way of the camera.
It still is, so just do it as quickly as you can.
Oh, right. Let me just get in here, then it'll be quick. Because y'all can see where I'm at better than I can see where I'm at.
Right.
There we go.
That was better, baby.
And it just goes on like so.
I'm assuming it'll tighten up and be more plumb.
Yeah, we can tighten it up here. And I'm going to use the tools they gave us. Obviously, we have tools that we can make that even quicker, like if you have. But if you have no tools, which if you have no tools and own a razor,
you're in trouble.
Get yourself a little toolkit. So, but I'm going to do it with their tools. That way you can see how easy it is. Let's just get it started here by hand. And then I'm going to start tightening it up. This is really a great build quality, though.
I'm impressed that it's metal. That is so cool.
And it's like $39.95 is what they retail it for.
Yeah, and I think it's just one piece bent. It doesn't have seams.
It's all one piece.
Yeah, so that seems like it would last, in my opinion.
Yes, it looks laser cut. It looks, it's powder coated. Really.
It's kind of pretty, I mean, for lack of a better word.
Well, it matches. The only thing I don't like, is there anything else in the package?
Nope, that was it.
Okay, the only thing I don't like is how loose that is. But I bet you because right there it's not going to tighten on the top one, but I bet you if I raise it up one, it would squeeze a little more. You know what I mean?
Do you want to try and raise it?
Yeah, let me try to raise that, just because it's definitely a great product. And I want to commend StarKnight for a great product. Might need to have a little rubber
gasket to kind of keep it from being so wobbly.
Yeah, there's rubber on here. Maybe a little rubber sleeve of some sort. Kind of like we have in the razor itself when you put this in. But I'm going to raise this up a little bit and see if it'll squeeze a little more, because it won't squeeze right next to that top part.
And there'd be nothing, well, there's a lot of things worse, but you don't want when you're riding down the trail to get splashed with your drink.
Well, it depends on the day, you know, some of these hot days.
Yeah,
but
maybe.
Yeah, you're right though. All right, so let's see if I can get this
back. So there are a couple different hole situations there you can put it.
So I'm going to raise it up a little bit. And maybe that'll squeeze a little more if I do that there, you know.
Yeah, depending on your size of razor.
See, it'd be neat if it was, if there was a little tab or something that kind of kept it flat. That's my only, my only issue there. But otherwise, let's see if we can squeeze that in. I might have to get a socket so I can put a little oomph to it. But we're going to see here. Because if I can squeeze that a little bit, it'll hold. Because
the papers, here's what the directions it comes with. Just those few pieces that you see, the contents.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing
that
really.
We're doing.
Or if it had like two screws, because then you could put one in both holes to really kind of secure it.
Oh, you know what the directions say? They actually say, tighten the cup holder over the grab bar with the attached hardware as shown, and use a professional tool to tighten it again till not shaky. so you do need to use the tools they give you plus a power tool.
So it says exactly what we said to tighten it up.
Yep.
So let me get a few sockets here.
So he's going to go get that.
All right, guys, pulled out the big guns. If all else fails, read the instructions. And the instructions say you're going to really need to tighten it down to stop the shakes. So let's put this Allen in here, just to give me something to hang on to. All right, let's get our good old impact here. And I will adjust it how we like it. And I'm going to hold this and not bring it down. All right, Jody, I think that's tight. So
awesome.
Let's take this off. Yeah, man, that's nice. And see, you still got room for your hands. And it's not too close. So now the ultimate test.
Dun, dun, dun.
Bum, bum, bum. Let me trade with you here, Jody.
Okay, and I'll go get the drinks.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's put something in here to see. This is one of the 10-ounce Yeti cups. It's narrow, and it still would fit in there just fine. If you wanted to prevent it from slipping around, you could put a towel around it if you wanted.
Yeah, go ahead and have a seat in there, Jody.
Okay.
And that one we weighed at 1 pound.
2 ounces.
2 ounces. So let's see here. No shake on it.
No.
Cool. And we're going to take this for a drive in a minute, the true test, because see in the driveway. But now let me hand you the 2 pounder here. 2 pounds, 12 ounces, full Yeti with ice.
Oh, that fits exactly perfectly.
Oh, see, and that fits great.
That large, it fits right on the divot. It's the exact right height.
That's awesome. So that looks wonderful. So now let's go take it for a spin around the block and see how it does.
Woohoo!
All right, guys, we're in the Razor and we're going to take this for a little spin around the block. And
just a little short ride, and I was thinking hopefully this works well because it would eliminate some of the heat that comes from the cup holders that are built in on the Razor down at the bottom.
Yes, and if you remember, one of our videos early on was lining it up with heat shield, and it really helped a lot. But you still get warm, you know, but this hopefully will be a great solution, and it looks great.
Yeah, and it fits right in this little space that was otherwise not used, so it's good.
Yeah, I think it looks wonderful. It fits wonderful. And
still even, yeah, you can still open the glove box. You can still access this here as well.
Yeah,
so it's not blocking anything.
It's not blocking anything. From the driver's perspective, easy to grab, too. It's not, like, hard to get to. And I love that plastic ring there. Mm-hmm. So this fits in there, you know. And the shake that you see is from the handle, but this isn't moving at all. So
I actually think that might be kind of like a shock too for the.
No, this is movable.
No, I know, but it'll act like.
Yes, yeah. But I think that's going to be really good. I like this product.
Yeah.
And so far, so let's take it for a spin and see how it fares, Jody.
Yeah.
So let's see here. All right, here we go. Let's put this in drive, and we're going to be kind of just watching this as we go. All right, let's go to high here since we're going to be driving in the roadways. What a great, not wanting to shift in. We haven't driven it in a while. There we go.
That's low.
All right. You can feel those tires wobbling just from sitting all the time. Let's put this in high gear now. There we go. So I think it's so far.
I think it's cool.
So far it seems to be working pretty good.
Yeah.
Just driving through the neighborhood.
Look how much fun I missed it.
Oh my goodness, I missed this too. So we're gonna, it's 5 o'clock here, so see if we can find some traffic. But all right, we're doing some little swerves. And this thing seems to be doing pretty good, Jody. So let's take a little curve here.
Okay.
Just like if we were off-roading. Woo! Look at that.
There it goes.
No problem at all. We're off-roading. Those things are doing great. What do you think, Jody?
I like it, and this is so much fun. I missed this. We need to go outside more.
Yes, soon. We're going to just take this off. Look at that. Those things, man, this is great.
Yeah, I do like it. Even though my cup is small, it's still staying in there pretty good.
Yes, you're not having to mess with it a whole lot.
Yep.
All right, that looks great, Jody.
Yeah, I like it. It's a win.
I think it's a win too. Hallelujah. I like it, Jody.
I like it too. I was really excited that this cup fits perfectly, and I was nervous, honestly, about this one, but it held it just fine, and maybe the little cutouts on the bottom help with gripping. I don't know.
Condensation, definitely, but I like it. I think it's going to hold up well. That's going to stay as a permanent fixture on our razor.
Yeah.
For 40 bucks, I mean, it's a great product for 40 bucks.
Yeah, it's worth it even if you use it as an extra space for water bottles and you have drinks down here
absolutely.
as well. You can never have too much water on the trail.
Yeah, we have a camel pack back here, obviously. But
yeah,
I think that's a win.
It's a win.
That's a win. All right, Jody, I think that's a win.
I think it's an awesome product. I'm really grateful to be able to see it and review it and use it soon.
Yeah, so thank you, StarKnight Mountain, for letting us, I'm assuming that's Mountain, StarKnightMT. Thank you for trusting us with that review. I mean, that's a great product. We love it. We'll put the link in our description if you guys are interested in it. 40 bucks.
It's not a bad price.
Yeah, great price. And we have almost 4 pounds of fluid on that. So
yeah, and it didn't bow or anything like that. So it's very sturdy. Yeah, I think it's high quality. Great product.
Absolutely love it. So thanks again for joining us. We're so glad to be doing some reviews again and doing some outdoor
getting back
stuff.
in slow.
It's going to take us a bit, but Jody's doing so good. Again, we appreciate your prayers and your thoughts. And thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a subscribe. You are part of the Razor Focus family, and thank you for joining us on our adventure. And most of all, we pray that you have an amazing and blessed every day.
And stay razor focused.